Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex Market Analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today I'll be focusing on the New Zealand dollar to the Japanese yen. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Alright traders, let's just run through the news items that could affect the New Zealand yen that I'm reviewing this week. Now, into Tuesday, we do have the Aussie interest rate decision that could affect the New Zealand crosses, and the Governor Lowe speaking at 6:20. Then moving into Wednesday, on the midnight we've got the US ISM manufacturing PMI, JOLTS job opening figures. Into the morning at 7:45 AM we have the unemployment rate and change for New Zealand, and then at 8 o'clock Governor Orr speaks. Into the evening, 10:15 PM for the US, ADP non-farm employment change. Into the morning of Thursday, 4 AM, we have the FOMC statement, Federal Fund Rate, interest rate change there for the US, and then press conference at 4:30 AM. 6 AM for New Zealand, we have the Governor Orr speaking once more. Then moving into the evening, or moving into Friday, late evening, Thursday into Friday, we have on the US side, on the midnight, ISM Services PMI, and then getting into the evening then on Friday for the US, we have the average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and employment rate. So quite a number of red items coming out for the week. Lots on the US side, a few on the New Zealand side, so just make a note of those so you know when they're coming out before you trade. With that in mind, let's get into the charts. Alright traders, first of all we'll start on the weekly chart. Now, we've moved down to a lower low and we're having a corrective rally here at the moment. When we did put in this final high, false break high here, MACD started to show divergence, got a lower top on the indicator. So we're having a rally back up to the resistance area. So we've got weekly resistance at 86.21 all the way up to 87.33. I'm just classing that as a resistance area. See all these highs that formed here earlier, and we came up and failed, false broke, traded down to a lower bottom. Are we coming up to form a lower top for a move back down to test the 86.12 to 80.57 weekly support area? So we have a resistance area and a support area. Are we going to fail up here to move back down to the support area? Alright, so let's just drop down to the day chart and have a look. Alright traders, on the day chart we are in an uptrend, and as I'm talking we're just trading above last month's high, but we could fail at last month's high. So I've got daily resistance at 86.46 and support at 8400. Now this is in an uptrend at the moment, so what I'm looking for is obviously price to reverse down from the weekly resistance area. So I just want to draw a fib in as well from that high to low. That was the weekly chart move down before we've been rallying. What I'm noticing is we're in this 79% fib area, fractionally above. That's at 86.30. So what I'm looking for just at the moment, just sitting on my hands, but over the next few days I'm looking for a close back below 86.21. So over the next few trading days, do we close back below 86.21 to start to confirm the reversal from that weekly resistance area. Now we may not reverse, we may just trade straight up and move above this high here, but I'm looking at, on the weekly chart we've moved down to a lower bottom, coming up maybe to put in a lower top. So first of all, looking for a close back below 86.21, and then I'll just drop down to a lower time frame to look for an opportunity to trade. Okay, now if I can see the opportunity, first target would be down here, 8400 day support, and if price can continue to move down, then I'm looking at targeting this 82.12 to 80.57 weekly support area. Alright traders, so looking for a lower top to form on the weekly chart. Can we close back below 86.21? If we can, I'm going to look for an opportunity on a lower time frame to sell. for a move back down the range. Alright traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: 1st of November, Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 2nd of November, a review of the recent Forex trading patterns, Duncan's top trading setups. In this webinar, Duncan will review the market structure and the trading patterns that set up during the previous month. He will cover the 79% fib retracement, head and shoulders, double top and double bottom, and range trade patterns. 3rd of November, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. Follow the link below for a full schedule and join for free.